Hey guys, it's Haley. So if you're wondering what this video is going to be about, guess what? It's about my hair. One of my most requested videos ever that I get requests all the time is how do I curl my hair, and so I'm going to show you how I got these curls and what I used to style them. So if you're interested in this, please keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment, let me know what you want to see, tag your friends, and keep watching. Okay, so my hair, I washed it and dried it last night, and it's already got some dry shampoo in my roots, which I will link the dry shampoo that I use below. It's by IGK, and now sorry, I had a text. They're rare, but I got one. I'm gonna go with my Baby Bliss, Baby Bliss Pro curling iron. This is the 1.5 inch. I love a 1.5 inch for some looser waves. Sometimes I don't like tighter wave or tighter curls with my face. It really just depends on if I'm going for what look I'm going for. If I'm gonna use a 1 inch or a 1.5 inch, normally I'm using a 1.5 inch curling iron, like you see here. Okay, I don't do anything fancy like sectioning up my hair. If it's easier for you to section your hair, you can do that. Take, you know, the top half and then the top half of your hair, the middle half. Normally I say sections can go by like where your eyebrow comes and then where your top of your ear is. That's how I would kind of section it off, like so, and then the remaining is just the bottom half of your hair. I just like to start with the front sections, and I just kind of pick what I want. Sometimes I'll start with the ones by my face, and I'll just take a small section, loop that around the barrel away from my face, and I just leave the ends out. Leave it on there for a few seconds. And then sometimes I will, I don't know what you would call it. I kind of like scrunch the curl. Literally just like this. And I don't know, it like loosens it up and helps it hold shape, I find. But I don't always do that. You don't have to. It's just one day I started doing it and then I was like, oh, this kind of works, kind of like this. And now I'm gonna take sections below that, and around my face I like to curl going away from my face. So I take the barrel and you're gonna wrap it, wrap it around, going away from my face. For me right now it'd be like going towards my back, wrapping it like towards your backside. Yeah, I don't know why, I like zhuzh my curl. And it kind of just like, I find it makes it look more voluminous. I'm also using the camera as my like mirror, and it's really hard. And so basically those were all the sections right here around my face to my ear. And now I'm gonna go right below my ear with a section. This one I'm gonna go towards my face just to change it up a little. Some days I'll do all of my curls in the same direction, and some days I kind of switch up directions. Just kind of depends on what I'm feeling. And with these, you don't have to like brush through them immediately because they are looser waves. When I do tighter curls, I tend to brush through them quicker because I just am not a tight curls person. I'm gonna take the next section. I cannot see what I'm doing in this. And curl away from the face. Basically, you're just doing that with sections all the way around your head, leaving the ends out. And before I like drop a curl, if your hair has a hard time holding curl, like if I blow dried my hair the night before, it's gonna have a harder time holding a curl. So I will hold it up as it cools, because if I immediately let my curl drop, it's gonna cool in whatever form you set it in. So see how it's kind of holding that shape a little better because I held it before I let it go. If I were to let it go immediately, it's cooling kind of like, I'll show you. So if I were to curl this piece, I'm gonna just drop it immediately. See how now it's gonna hold that shape as opposed to me holding it kind of in that shape that it was on the barrel and letting it cool. See just the difference there? Like, oh, there I go again, zhuzhing my curl. Anyways, it just, I find, helps hold the curls better. Okay, so I'm now, with the pieces underneath, I tend to like to do in opposite directions more, or at least in my like second layer. I don't tend to like to do my top layer in a different direction. I don't know why. I'll do like a random like one piece in a different direction for the top layer. Zhuzhing that curl. And yeah, I like the ends straighter. It just is a more relaxed vibe. I'm all about the relaxed vibes with the curls. And then I guess I'm just gonna go in the opposite direction now. Or did I shave? I hope I shaved. Yeah, I shaved. And if it's too hot for you when you drop it, either you held it on there for too long, your curling iron's too hot, or you can also wear like gloves. They make like curling gloves that you can wear to like protect your hand, but typically your hand should not be, your hair should not be getting so hot that it like burns you to the touch. That's probably too hot. Especially if you have really fine hair, don't feel like you need to put your curling iron on the highest level. Really the highest levels for like really thick hair. Oh my gosh, my nose itches. Oh my gosh, that was hard. It's like, what do you want more, a perfect curl or itch your nose? I don't know. I really don't. Yeah, I just like to catch it before it falls and try to help it out a little bit. I think I like the little zhuzhing thing. I'm literally taking the curl in my hand and then just kind of rubbing it back and forth like that, I guess. Like you're rubbing your I don't even know, that motion. I think I like it because it breaks up the curl without like you brushing it out and your curl falling out, you know what I'm saying? You know. I'm going to go do the rest of my head and then show you what I do after all my curls. Okay, so now my hair is all curled, and now to show you what I do with my styling products and what styling products I use after I'm done curling. So if you haven't already, I would put some dry shampoo in your roots. Dry shampoo is actually made to be put in before your hair gets oily or sweaty, so it can be absorbing those oils and sweats. I also love one of my favorite products that I never get tired of is, and I've used this for years, it's Triple Sec by Dry Bar. It's amazing. It's a texturizing spray. It's not like a hairspray or anything, but it's gonna add some volume and texture to your roots and just throughout your hair and your curls. So I would take this and you shake it up a little bit and just spray it right into your roots and zhuzh that a little bit. And it smells so good. I've been using this product for so long, I can't even remember exactly how. You can already see a difference. And you can spray it to give your curls some pieciness and texture. And you can already tell a difference. Just got some in my mouth. And then I'm gonna do that on this side. I haven't really brushed through my curls or anything at all. So when I brush through my curls, I will kind of just loosen them up like that. Just like so. And then, and just how I'm putting this at my roots, that's what I've already got dry shampoo up in my hair, and I'm out of this. Why? So I have to do it more. What I'm doing the same with this, that's how I put dry shampoo in my hair and my roots. And especially wherever you sweat like a lot when you're like working out or just outside, make sure to apply the dry shampoo there. Like working out, I get really sweaty. My hair will get really sweaty through here, and of course up in here, and then back at this low point of my head, base of my skull, I guess you could say. I like the pieces beside my face to be really texturized. I don't know why. And like right up in here. Okay. I love the feeling of good texture. Another product that I love, and you've probably seen me post about it before if you watch my stories. If you guys aren't watching my stories or you don't see my stories, go click through them, turn on post notifications by me, because I post a lot of my daily beauty products that I'm wearing and beauty hacks on there. Just quick, easy access, or follow me on the Like to Know It app because I link beauty products on there as well. But I love this. This is Kristin's signature finishing spray. If you're looking for a good hairspray, it's so hard for me to find a good hairspray that I like, and this is one that I haven't gotten tired of yet, so that's good. I'm also out of this one too. Why do you always run out of beauty products like at the same time? Why? So I would take this and I just got it in my eye. Basically just a light spray, and this stuff will give your hair volume. But you don't need like a ton of it. But this is only $14 at Target. So my hair feels good today. I used a moisture mask, so I'm not gonna be doing any oils or moisturizing creams. Normally when I get in a few days from washing my hair, that's when I tend to need the most moisture. And in that case, I love like Bumble and Bumble has a good hair oil. Moroccan oil is a good one. IGK has a coconut, this coconut moisturizing shine thing that I love, and I can link all of that for y'all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Who's glad that I'm finally doing videos? Anyone? Okay.